Keratin. From fabulous looks to resilient nails, the magic of keratin. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to delve into: keratin. You may have heard about it in haircare products, but do you know what it really is? Stay tuned as we explore the fascinating world of keratin, its types, benefits, and foods rich in this essential protein. What exactly is keratin? Well, keratin is a fibrous structural protein that plays a crucial role in the formation of various tissues in our bodies. It's an essential building block for our hair, nails, skin, and even some internal organs. This tough and resilient protein is what gives our hair its strength and elasticity. Now that we know what keratin is, let's talk about its different types. There are two main types of keratin: alpha-keratin and beta-keratin. Alpha-keratin is found in mammals, including humans, and it's what makes up the majority of our hair and nails. On the other hand, beta-keratin is more commonly found in reptiles, birds, and some other animals, and it's what gives them the tough scales, feathers, and beaks. The benefits of keratin are numerous and extend beyond just enhancing our hair and nails. Here are some key advantages of this essential protein. 1. Hair strength. Keratin strengthens hair strands, reducing breakage and split ends, resulting in healthier and more resilient locks. 2. Improved hair texture. It smooths out the hair cuticles, giving a sleeker and more manageable texture. 3. Enhanced hair appearance. Keratin imparts shine and luster to hair, making it look healthier and more vibrant. 4. Frizz reduction. It helps to control frizz, especially in humid conditions, keeping your hair looking polished. 5. Hair repair. Keratin aids in repairing damaged hair, restoring its health and vitality. 6. Nail protection. It forms a protective barrier around nails, preventing brittleness and chipping. 7. Skin protection. In addition to hair and nails, keratin contributes to the resilience and protection of our skin. 8. Wound healing. Keratin plays a role in tissue repair, aiding in wound healing processes. 9. Overall tissue health. It is a vital component in various tissues throughout the body, ensuring their strength and structural integrity. 10. Natural protein source. Keratin-rich foods provide essential protein for overall body health. 11. Boosts hair growth. By strengthening hair strands and reducing breakage, keratin promotes healthier hair growth. 12. Increases hair elasticity. Keratin helps hair retain its elasticity, making it less prone to damage from styling. 13. UV protection. It offers some degree of protection against harmful UV rays from the sun. 14. Supports nail growth. By protecting and strengthening nails, keratin encourages healthy nail growth. 15. Long-lasting hairstyles. Keratin-treated hair tends to hold styles for longer periods, reducing the need for frequent restyling. 5 foods rich in keratin. While keratin is naturally produced by our bodies, we can also boost its levels by consuming the right foods. Some great sources of keratin include: 1. Eggs. They are not only rich in keratin but also contain biotin, which promotes hair growth. 2. Fish. Fish like salmon and tuna are packed with keratin-boosting proteins like omega-3 fatty acids. 3. Nuts and seeds. Snack on almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds, which provide keratin and essential minerals. 4. Lean meats. Chicken and turkey are excellent sources of protein and keratin. 5. Dairy products. Milk, yogurt, and cheese contain keratin as well as calcium, benefiting both hair and nails. And there you have it, the wonders of keratin. From its role in strengthening our hair and nails to promoting overall tissue health, this incredible protein is truly a beauty and health powerhouse. Remember to incorporate keratin-rich foods into your diet, and use hair care products with keratin to maintain lustrous locks. If you enjoyed learning about keratin, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Stay beautiful and stay healthy.